Hey, Sam from ThreeDee here. The last couple of videos we talked about why Blender is not yet industry standard, what industry standard means, and how can Blender fit in that conversation. After that video I noticed a lot of negativity towards Blender in the comments. There was misinformation, statements from years ago that are not true anymore. Some comments were straight up just wrong, some were justified though, with valid criticism towards Blender and open source in general. If you haven't seen that video yet, I highly recommend it so you get a full picture of this conversation. Take a look at the comments. You'll understand what I'm saying. I made a response video called Why People Hate Blender, and it also generated a lot of comments. Most people seem to understand what I meant in that video, as well as understanding that the more we criticize these tools while being civil, of course, nobody will pay attention to you if you're screaming. The better tools they'll become, and we become better artists. You should definitely watch those two videos in order and be back to watch this one. Don't worry, I'll wait here. Today we'll spread some love. We'll talk about what people like the most in Blender. It's free. The first reason, and some people say it's actually a bad thing, is that Blender is free. Anyone can download, use, and modify the software. This has made Blender accessible to a wide range of users, including students, hobbyists, and small studios who may not have the budget for expensive 3D software. This makes 3D art available for everyone, and Blender is capable of more than just 3D art, which leads us to Power. Blender is very powerful at almost anything it does. It does a lot and does it very well. It has great modeling tools, procedural texturing, and procedural modeling systems. Awesome suite of 2D tools. It has a video editor and it is capable of VFX work. You can motion track, green screen, composite, and much more. There is a lot in it, which makes it flexible. It's a flexible piece of software. It can do all of what I just said. But the list gets even bigger if you consider the add-ons for different things. For example, there are specialized add-ons for topology. There are add-ons specialized in scattering objects. That's very useful to making a forest feel dense, or just scatter trash along a dirty road. Add-ons help to streamline the workflow and achieve great results more easily. There are great add-ons available for free as well. Not only that, but being open source means that developers can adjust it precisely to do whatever they need, which only helps to create a better community. And lastly, but certainly one of the more important ones, the community. The community around Blender is the beating heart of it. Without its community, Blender would not be half of its size. They help make the software better by reporting issues, asking for new features, and in general just creating, pushing the limits of Blender. We all love to share our experiences and techniques, ask and receive feedback so we can better ourselves, and just interact, have fun talking to other artists and developers. This is very much unique to Blender in the 3D realm. It feels way less like a competition, and more like just having fun with friends. Usually nobody holds information on how to do a certain thing, or how to achieve some type of result. We all just want to share the knowledge to see what people will create with it. We all just want to see cool stuff and learn new things to make even cooler stuff. That is why we have so many models on 3D.design. We want to see what you create with it, how you make it look unique. And because we love the community so much, we do have a couple of freebies. Check out at the description below. We're making the biggest 3D library in the world. In summary, people love Blender because it is a powerful and versatile tool that is accessible to anyone, thanks to its free and open source nature. Additionally, Blender has a large and active community, is constantly improving, and supports a wide range of add-ons that make it even more powerful and flexible. Do you want to be part of the community? Check out this video on how to get better faster and our Discord channel at the description. It's close to the like and subscribe button, which you should click too. Tell us your thoughts on Blender and what does it have that makes you love it. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.